we just launched our official website, Codekinda.com, and we're launching that for quite a few reasons. And number one is because we've actually been talking about how we can actually build those applications for quite a long time now on Facebook and then on YouTube. So we want to begin to show the world what we can actually build by actually building our own website first of all, and that can actually kind of give them the confidence to maybe in the later time be able to give us something like a project. All right, and then after that we'll also have another reason, which is basically be able to like showcase solutions. So if we ever found solutions to some problems that people are really having around the world, we want to be able to have a platform where we should be able to showcase those solutions to those problems, okay? And with that, they can actually get first-hand information and be able to maybe buy from us or a kind of get some inquiries from us, all right? And then after that, we also have another reason, maybe based on the fact that maybe we do have a section where we have the jobs that we've actually completed, and with that means like we have something like a portfolio on that particular website where people can actually take a look at the previous jobs that we have actually done, and this can in turn kind of give them that confidence to maybe give us a job. And even if we are looking for a job, maybe we are looking to get hired in the future, we want to be able to like prove the fact that we can actually build projects in such a category so that we can actually stand the higher chance of getting hired in such a platform. All right, so I want to take you guys to the website so that you see how it actually looks like, and you can actually visit that if you want to. You can just go to codekinda.com and then you'll be created with the website. And let's dive right in without wasting more time. And I want you to stay to the end of the video because basically I'm going to actually give out some information at the end of the video. So let's just get right in and then see how the website basically looks like at this particular point in time. So this is basically how the website looks like, and we do have a section for our logo right here, which we are going to work on our logo and then replace that very soon. And then we do have this typing text right here, which to me looks a kind of a cool right here. All right, so we are just like showcasing the things that we do right there, like responsive web design, mobile app, and AI. So all those things. And then we do also have like our menu right here, guys. So this is the menu bar that kind of features our about us page, the services, portfolio, courses that we have, and then the contact info. And then we do have like a donate button right here that you can actually use in case you want to donate to the platform. Then this is like the hero section of the website, and we're just basically saying that we're transforming ideas into digital realities, and we're showcasing all of the things that we kind of build right here. All right, which does almost the same thing with what is actually displaying up there, you know. So web app, we also build a desktop apps, and we have AI models and even mobile app, and then quite a lot of other things, okay, that we may not actually kind of display right here. And if you scroll down, we do have this button that once you click on this button, it's a kind of takes you to the section where you can actually get a free consultation. So if I hit in here, you see that it takes you to the section down here. So let's build something amazing, and then you can fill this form out, fill your name, your email, your phone number, and you can select a category of the kind of a service that you want right here. Okay, it could be something like web app, desktop app, AI, mobile, Telegram mini app, and then you can finally go ahead and then use this form right here to tell us about the project. Okay, this is just like a field you can use to give us the details of the application. Then hit on message, and then we're going to actually achieve that. All right, so this is the contact information that you can use. Alternatively, if you don't want to send us an email right here, so this is code@codekinda.com, and then we do have a phone number right here, which is kind of a list to our WhatsApp page right there. All right, so if we go back to the top right here, I want you to basically take a look at what we offer section, and that's just basically this particular area right here. So whichever product you want or service you want, you can hit on apply to kind of apply to that. All right, and after that, if you get down a little bit, if we have courses section, and this one is video script creation, and I do like maybe display prices in dollars right here. I may change this at a later time into naira. All right, so this is just like a markup of how the website is actually going to look. A few of these things are actually not working. Like if I hit on this right here, see that it's actually not going anywhere. I only enable this particular one right here called video script creation. So if I hit on it, it's going to take me to a different page where I just kind of display all of the features of this particular video script building. All right, so it kind of takes you to this page, and you can see this is a video script building, and then this is a kind of an outlining all of the features that is actually embedded in that particular script building, guys. All right, so let's go back, and then this is actually the section right here. And if we go back down a little bit, we do have the support, our work section, where you can donate, which I've actually already shown you guys what that does. And here we are just a kind of a showcasing our works right here. So the things that we have actually done before, you can hit on view projects to go and view the projects right here. So once you hover on it, it shows you this button right here that you can actually click on to go and view our project. All right, so that's just what that is, guys. So this is just like a markup of how the application is actually going to look. There are a few of the things that are actually not really working here yet. So I'm just showing you this just for you to just keep your eyes on it as we move along. As we create other parts, we're actually going to be showing you that. So this is the section that showcases our YouTube videos. Okay, so if you are subscribed to my channel, you must have seen this video. It's about Python packages. This one is about how to enable or add something like a Tone transaction to your mini wallet on Telegram, right? So we do have a Tone wallet connection right here. And if you want to view all of the videos we have on YouTube, you can hit on this particular button right here to view that. So this is the contact section that we just saw before now. And then we do have our footer down here, right, which is kind of a feature our right here. And we also have, before then, we'll have the supporter section that you can still click to donate to us if you want to kind of a donate to us. So this is just the markup of the application, guys, or the website. Is just basically how I would actually structure it. We could add more things at a later time, and you can't actually believe how long I've been wanting to build this website. And the reason that I actually delayed to this time is because I've been looking for time to maybe learn something like React and Node.js so that I can actually use those combinations to actually build the website. But I think it's actually no time for me to keep on procrastinating. So I don't know when I'm actually going to learn React and then Node.js. So I decided to like start with right here where I am and then with what I have. Okay, so and that's just basically the advice I'm actually going to give to any of you guys out there. Anything, any dream you got, and I want you to like kickstart right now. Start right there where you are with what you have and don't be satisfied. So that's just how that is actually looking so far. You can let us know what you think about these guys. So feel free to use the comment section below to let us know what you think about this. And that is just that, guys. That's all. So those are the things in there, and it's pretty cool. It may not be the best design in the world so far, but I think it's actually one of the things that almost a kind of, I don't know if I show you this section right here. This is the section for our address. You can also use this Google map right here to actually locate where we are right now. So as you can see the map of Nsukka right here, Enugu State, and that's just basically where we are. So that is it, guys. You've seen how that looks, right? And it may not be the best website in the world, but it's definitely a stepping stone to what we can actually accomplish in the future. And we do even have other websites that we have built for other people that are even a lot more beautiful than the one that we have ourselves right here. Okay, so the next thing, the information I actually want to share right here is for those of you who are into something like AI, mobile app development. You see that the things that we do on that website, I alone may not be able to build all of those things myself. Okay, so we're going to be partnering with some people. So if you're into something like AI or something like into what is it called, mobile development, you can actually chat us up so that we can actually put your name down in our list, and if we get projects, we can actually push projects to you. Okay, so we do have people who are already doing that with us, people that are into web app development. Okay, so I may not be able to handle all of the projects that are actually coming my table, and if you want to maybe be part of Codekinda, you can actually find your way to contact us right there. You can use the form on the website to contact us, and from there we can actually pick your details, and then if we get any job that you can actually handle, we can go ahead and then give that to you, okay, on a certain percentage anyway. So that is just how that is, guys. So you should just keep your eyes on the website. We are going to be updating that from time to time. So what you just saw is just like a mock-up of how the website is actually going to look. So we don't want to keep on procrastinating anymore. We're tired of procrastinating. So we are kind of launching that maybe part by part, and you're going to actually be seeing that as you keep your eyes on the website. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.